Hello, I'm Kerry from Proquip, and today I want to answer a question that we get frequently, which relates to the use of hot water in carpet cleaning. As you may know, all our carpet machines have the option of coming with a hot water unit that you can attach to the machine, so it heats the water before it's used on the carpet. The question we get is, how much more effective is hot water for cleaning as just opposed to cold? So we thought we'd give you a demonstration which demonstrates the effectiveness of the principle of hot water cleaning better than cold. So I've got two dirty plates out in the kitchen there. Both have had a meat pie on them. Firstly, I'm going to rinse it with cold water. Then I'm going to rinse the second plate with hot water, and you will see the difference. See you there. Righto, so here we go. We've got two plates. Both have had a meat pie on them. About the same amount of mess. So we're going to clean them with cold water, and then we're going to clean them with hot water, and you'll be able to see the difference. Right, so first we're going to start with the cold water. So starting with cold water, and I'm not going to use a brush, and I'm going to put the dirty plate under this cold water, and you'll see how quickly everything runs off. So it's starting to run off, kind of not doing a very good job. It's quite slow, and that is, yeah, that's dead cold water. So it's taken off the bulk of it. I've given that a pretty good rinse, so I'm going to turn that off and just put it back there so you can see how much is actually still on the plate. Now I'm going to turn it over to hot water. Try and get the same flow rate. That's about the same flow rate. Wait for it to heat up to hot. And now we're going to do exactly the same thing with this dirty plate, and you'll see the difference. Everything's coming off much quicker, and much more of it. And it's got to that result in half the time. So we've got our plates now. This was the one that went under the cold water, and you can see that it's still got quite a bit of pie on there. This one here was the hot water, and there's virtually nothing on there. A brush will probably finish this one up very quickly, and quite a bit more scrubbing for that one. So there you have it. You've seen how effective hot water is cleaning versus cold water. And just remember, that's a principle that can be used on many things, not just cleaning plates or carpet. But the point of my exercise was to answer the question, how much more effective is hot water cleaning than cold? I hope that's been really helpful. Give us a call on 0800 277 678 for any further help. We'd be pleased to help you. Thank you.